Hey guys, sorry about that. I guess I went over and it hasn't been letting me upload my video, so I've had to record two or three times. But just to add the last two or three slides in there since it cut off. Like I said, economic security, a higher cost of healthcare and a lower amount of income can really affect what these people are able to get in their villages. Um, and can later affect what they can afford if it's not within their own community. All right, then we have our current system. Like I said, we don't there is no true hospital in their area. Most of their serious cases have to go to Bethel and then vac out to Anchorage. On the other hand, Primera does have health aides in place there, people that can assist and check on people routinely. And good thing is, these people that are, being health aides in the area normally are from the community themselves, and so they know the people there, what their needs are, and can kind of relate a little bit to their situation. Some companies, some services also provide costs for medical visits or cost to go to the medical visits, so plane tickets or premiums. One of these is the Alaska Area Native Health Service, and they actually work with different partners and the tribes themselves to go ahead and give healthcare to over 120,000 Native Americans throughout Alaska. This kind of shows right here their system, and as you can see down here in the Yukon Kuskokwim Health Corporation, they have one major hospital in Delta Regional. They also supply additional health aides, medical clinics. But as far as improvements go, could see more hospitals put in additional health aides for more people than just Primera. Revising the Balanced Budget Act, which kind of put in place, what services do they need from the government, and then also to create new community centers. This would include, everything from uh, centers for alcohol addiction, sexual abuse and violence, and then health centers that would give people either information or affordable medicine just for the community itself. And then finally, just a little slide, on empowerment, because some of the biggest impacts do help happen in the community themselves. If they don't make a change, some things will never change. And so this can start with, the younger population, giving them some more information about harmful substances, the way to conduct themselves, and then ways that they can help their community. Community programs that I've already talked about, AA groups or public associations that would help to make sure that everybody is living a healthy life, checking in on them since they cannot go to hospitals themselves, and supplying them with medical needs, vitamins, medications. Um, Overall, the public involvement is what is really going to help make a change now. Government interaction is what is going to help make a change in the future. And so, without their constant efforts to influence the government and the people in their community, they're not going to see a substantial change in their health security anytime soon. And finally, these are my references also included in my paper. Uh, but sorry about going over there for a minute and it cutting out. There's two different recordings, but that's everything I got. Thanks, guys.